The greatest thing in your life is not where you are. The greatest thing in your life is where you are moving towards. Hi, this is Dhaval. Today, Communication Mastery by Rahul Bhatnagar presents the biggest online public speaking championship. This is my official entry for round 2. People, we all have 24 hours. And in this 24 hours, someone has gone to Mars, someone has created the biggest business, someone is the richest person of the world, someone is the best athlete, and we always make excuses and we always complain for our time, for our money, for not having resources, for not having a proper guidance. And I'll tell you, there is only one lacking in your success. That is not having a proper direction. I see many aspirants who want to become an entrepreneur and they start taking information in and out, and they start following many people who are out and entrepreneurs. But what happens after some time? They just ended up doing nothing because they don't get any direction. Maybe today you are cursing 2020 for the worst year of your life. Maybe you hate your job, you hate your relationship, you hate the present situation, and you started thinking that the problem is in the present situation. But let me tell you, the problem is not in the present situation. The problem is in where you are heading towards, where you are marching towards, where you are going towards. Whether you like it or not, on a daily basis, you make habit, you become somebody. Let's become someone who is made up on purpose, not an accident. People, we don't know that on daily habits and daily directions which we impose on ourselves creates our life. On a daily basis, what actions we take are, when they are repeated, they are enforced in our personality and we became someone. If you want to go Delhi and you start marching towards Bombay, have you ever thought that will you able be to achieve the Delhi goal? Will you able be reach Delhi in your entire life if you marching entire life? You will not. Why is it so that for digging a well, we need to be directed and focused at a one point? Then only we get water. But out there what people is doing? They are directed, they are unfocused. Direction is the most important thing. What happens is that people pick up speed, you pick up speed in very fast in your journey and you ended up at nothing. That's it stopping you from becoming a successful person. That is the most important thing in your life, to have a clear direction. For having direction, what you need? I'll tell you. For having direction, you need to identify your why. Why you want to do this, why you want to do that. And when you identify your why, it gives you a crystal clear focus towards your direction. And when you direct yourself some place, you become sure about your success. You become obsessed and you get the results. So people, find your direction, define your direction.